Hashtag 21Innovate is a unique competition that looks at bringing innovation and 21st century skills to the forefront. What made it even more special was the level of collaboration that took place to put this together. Education institutes, corporates, and NGOs together collaborated to make this happen. It is also one of the few competitions that brought private schools together with underprivileged schools to compete on the same platform. Our children are growing into a very different world. Many of the jobs they will take on don't exist today. They will use technologies that haven't been invented and will need to solve problems that aren't problems yet.
Teach them how to think. Change the game. You have to teach them how to think. Because that's what they don't do. So even in companies like ours, where we try very hard on leadership, and many other companies, you can go to people and they're still waiting for you to instruct them on what to do.
Education system in India would focus much more on just communication. I think that's where a lot of Indians lose out. I think we're the smartest people fundamentally. There's no problem. They can go out and compete, anyone smarts, but communication does become an issue. And it's just not about communicating when you're overseas. Even here, I don't think people communicate well.
Look around us, the people that succeed are the people who have the base grounding maybe in academics, but then have all these peripheral capabilities which are what really set them apart. The people who've actually topped in some of our boards and don't have some of the critical reasoning and problem solving don't end up succeeding in large leadership positions. And we're in a very international world, and that's what you need right now to succeed.
The World Economic Forum report of 2016 revealed that creativity, problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration would be the top 4 skills that children will need to thrive by as soon as 2020. So how do we equip our children? What we currently do is not good enough. It is essential that we build the critical 21st century skills, and this competition looks at building awareness and assessing children on these skills. We were tasked to get our NGO and government schools ready to compete. We worked across Delhi for over 2 months on training before the competition. The experience was absolutely amazing. The teams were natural collaborators and time managers. They were very creative in their thought process. We needed to focus on their research abilities, their communication, and the application of concepts. But their determination fueled our energy. There were 34 schools that participated in the first round. We judged them on the innovation they presented. Further, each team had an assessor who assessed them on the 4 C's and information literacy during a 1-hour on-the-spot design thinking activity. 9 schools made it to the final round. The finals were competitive. 2 schools tied for second position. We were pleasantly surprised to have an all-girls government school team win the competition.
Basically, I learned a lot about innovation because we had to collaborate together to come up with our bullet train idea.
It's a different type of competition, but this competition we have to think on the spot.
उन्हें जताना पड़ता है कि हाँ वो एक टीम है, उन्हें ऐसे लगना चाहिए मैं यूँ सिर्फ we.
Yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
It was actually testing our minds. We actually did not take it as a competition. We took it as learning something out from it.
I thought the 21 Innovate program really challenged school children to both innovate and collaborate in ways that they don't get to do on a day-to-day basis in their usual school routines. And you could see that the children found this both extremely challenging but also really exhilarating, and it was fun to see them explore this process. They really seem to enjoy it.
Innovate is an exciting platform that brings business, education, science, and social enterprise together under one banner, collaborating to create a smarter tomorrow. Come invest in the next generation of thinkers and creators. Be a part of #21 Innovate 2016-17.